Let us take a look at other matters now. Equity Bank saw its net profit during the first 6 months of the year reduced by 24% to 9.1 billion shillings that the lender attributes to increased loan loss provision as a result of COVID-19 disruptions. Equity Group CEO James Mwangi projects that 45% of customer loans need to be restructured to accommodate flexible repayment. Meanwhile, Family Bank has reported a 42.93% increase in the first half net profit to 638.47 million shillings, driven by income from government securities.
Since the government announced measures aimed at curbing the spread of the coronavirus in the country after the first case was reported, many financial institutions have been forced to restructure their customer loans to help them cope with the harsh economic conditions. As at June this year, Equity Bank had restructured loans worth 92 billion shillings. The lender projects to increase this to 125 shillings or 45% of the loan book. Projection of customers facing challenges servicing loans as a result of COVID-19 disruptions on businesses and income has seen Equity Group increase the loan loss provision by 15 times to 7.7 billion shillings from 500 million shillings during a similar period last year. This rate into the lender's profitability during the first 6 months of this year. This ate into the lender's profitability during the first 6 months of this year, which dipped 24% to 9.1 billion shillings. Meanwhile, Family Bank weathered the harsh economic environment occasioned by the COVID-19 pandemic to register a 42.93% increase in net profit to 638.47 million shillings during the first 6 months of this year, defying an industry trend of reduced profitability. The lender attributes the profit growth to an increase in net interest income hugely from loans and advances and income from government securities. This is despite Family Bank restructuring loans worth 15 billion shillings and provisioned 464 million shillings for bad debt due to adverse effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. The bank has also waived all charges for balance inquiries and money transfers between account and mobile money wallets. Family Bank CEO Rebecca Mbidi says the bank will intensify the automation of services to mitigate against challenges brought about by COVID-19.